Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can sign up for Shein affiliate program. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. Note that Shein does not have an official affiliate program that is available on their website. But you can use the CJ affiliate program to enter Shein's. In order to do that, open any type of preferred browser on your PC or laptop and search for CJ affiliate. Now, open this website and click on the Get Started button at top right corner of your screen. After that, you will have two options. Either you can sign up for advertisers or the publishers. For entering Shein affiliate, select the publisher's affiliate as it is partnered with Shein. Here, enter the required details like your name, email, password, region, and then verify the email address. For that, open the mail, click on this link, and you will be brought to this web page. Here, checkmark both of these boxes, accept all of the agreements by opening their individual links, and click on Continue to Account button. Now, sign into the newly created account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, you will be asked to verify your information, so do that beforehand and go to the Network Profile under Accounts tab. Inside this tab, you will be able to maintain your profile and add promotional properties. Now, click on the Manage Promotional Properties button and select Create Property. Here, you will be asked to share the platforms you will be using for promotions. Once you have set up the properties, close it and go to the Advertisers section inside Partners. After that, click on the search bar at the left side and search for Shein. Then select the Shein affiliate and click on this Apply to Program button to enter the affiliate program. That's how you can sign up for Shein affiliate program. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.